Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to fix the window switch assembly that does not work on our 2014 Honda CR-V. Now I've been able to isolate it to the window switch on the passenger side because when I press and hold this button here, the window goes down, and when I pull it up, the window goes up, but when I do it on this side, it doesn't work. Now, the lock mechanism works, it's just the window. So let's get to it. Okay, so here's the part that we're going to be replacing. It's the number 3 here on the diagram with the inside door panel, where these parts right here sit in this area. This is what I got here from Honda, and I'll put the part number in the description below. And that's it. I'm going to take off this trim. Take a door trim or panel removal kit, something plastic. If you have to, you can put a screwdriver, flat blade in here. But we just basically want to get this inside to pry this up. Just until it clicks like that, and then kind of work our way across. You get all the way to the back and then slide it forward. There'll be a little tab here in the back underneath the other piece of trim. Now you'll see on the passenger side there's just this one clip that you have a push button here for release. So just push that in and wiggle, and that'll disconnect the connector. Now on the piece of trim that we've removed, you'll see here 4 Phillips head screws. We're going to take those out to be able to remove the old switch assembly. So we'll just take these screws out. And now we can lift out the old switch assembly like that. We'll just take the new switch assembly and we'll insert that in underneath here. Get that in and forward, and make sure that it's lined up on the same holes. And we'll reverse the process by putting in the Phillips head screws. Okay, once they're in and you're sure they're not cross-threaded, just make sure that they're tightened down. And then you can put this back in the car. And put the connector back in the same orientation with the release mechanism, the front of the piece of trim, until it clicks like that. Then you can line the trim back up by pushing it in the back tab like that, and then pushing down until it clips in place the whole way across. All right, so now we'll test it out. Okay, so back in the car, I'm going to test it from the driver's side switch first to make sure that the window goes down and back up and that nothing changed. Now we'll try it from the switch here. Verify that goes down, and then it goes back up. And there you go. That's how you fix the window switch assembly on the 2014 Honda CR-V. Thanks very much for watching.